You ever have moldy grout lines in like maybe even in your bathroom? There's a few reasons why that could happen. Either you didn't seal it, or you sealed it and then you cleaned it with a very harsh chemical and you actually wiped all the sealant off. And this grout is porous. Like if I was to pour coffee on this grout, it would suck right into there. So basically what's happening is when you remove that sealer, you're removing all the protection. So you need to add the sealer on there. You also need to stop stripping the sealer off, all right? If you have moldy grout lines, there's a couple different things you can do. One thing you could do is actually dig all that grout out. There's a manual saw you can buy. It's, you go in the grouting aisle, or you can actually get a Dremel blade that will go in and actually saw out the grout. That's pretty catastrophic. What I would do is I would use something like this first and see if this works. This works amazing. I've used it on mine. It will remove the mold stain in the grout. So then what you would do is remove the mold, remove the stains in the grout, bring it back to the, the way it was when it was first put in, clean it very well, okay? You wanna make sure you get this out of the grout. Then you would do something like this, put a sealer on it, seal up the whole grout again, do 2 coats, and then your grout won't be moldy anymore. Now, before this stuff dries, we're just gonna wipe it off. You wanna test it. You wanna see if this water will be absorbed into this grout line. You can tell it because the grout line will get darker. So in this case, it's not. You see it's kind of staying the same. So this has been sealed up. If it does absorb into the grout, we're gonna apply another coat. So sometimes, most of the time, you gotta do 2 coats. All right, hope this helped. Mike, Family TV, I'm Sealer out.